Hey guys, Turbo is just making news. Either they're pumping hundreds of percent, dropping 30 or 40%, leaving people in panic, or they have big exchange listings. Turbo is just on top of it. And this morning it was announced that crypto.com has listed it spot, not futures like what Binance did. This is huge news as this is a low tier one exchange in America. This will bring lots of volume to Turbo, and the price has reflected that. But are we about to challenge the 1 penny mark? I think so. I hope you all slept good last night because I had people in my comments telling me they were afraid to go to sleep because the past 2 nights when they'd went to sleep, the price had tanked. Well, I hope they all slept good last night because the price of Turbo is up almost 30%. Guys, I meant to get to this video this morning, but I had to go get my grill cleaned. Being on this 4K camera, I seen that my teeth was a little yellow. So I had to go get them whitened and bleached and stuff, but I hope they look a little better for you all, shine like a diamond. But anyways, guys, we're going to get into all of that and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and let's get into the video. So guys, Turbo, like I said, everyone was panicking. Should they sell? I should have sold at a penny. Or they were saying the project's dead. Did the fundamentals change? I always preach this, guys. Y'all have heard it before. If you're scared about a project, what changed? Did devs dump on it? Did somehow it get infiltrated in any bad way? Did the team change? Did anything about the project change? If not, then the same asset you were happy about buying on the way up, you should be happy about buying on the way down. That is my personal thought process. But a lot has happened since we talked yesterday. So right here with the Binance future is where we left off yesterday. But let's just look at what else this team has been doing. They talked about the wallet growth, which we'll get into in a minute. But then Muse World and Turbo Token are now available for trading on WooX perpetual futures with up to 20x leverage. So that was another futures listing for Turbo. But that's not it. Crypto.com new exchange listing. I tested this morning. I was able to get the option to deposit Turbo into Crypto.com. So that is extremely bullish. Turbo is also available on KSEX. I don't personally use that, but it's obviously another exchange. HTX has 20x futures trading for Turbo. So guys, that is 4 exchange listings, 4 fairly big tier 1 and tier 2 exchange listings within just the last 24 hours, with Crypto.com being the biggest. And then look, here's another one, is now available on Deepcoin. So I don't even know what Deepcoin is, guys, but obviously that is another exchange listing. And when we go here and look, we have Crypto.com as 7th right now. And obviously a lot of people have not even figured out about it, or this is old data, because when we look at the overall volume that Crypto.com is bringing, it's not a lot. 350,000, which is 0.11% of the volume. But guys, let's get into the on-chain data. So this line right up here is marked exactly at 1 penny. And when we look at all the traffic going on with the price recently, we could see some really big prices. Here's an 18,000 sell. There's a $27,000 buy, $8,000 buy, $5,000 sell. There's about 40,000 buy. There's about $80,000 buy. There's definitely a lot of buys happening. If y'all look over here, we have right now 2,500 buys placed, 1,400 sells, with 9.4 million being the buying volume and 8.8 being the selling volume. If you have more buying volume than selling volume, that means price goes up, with 1,700 buyers and 700 sellers. Guys, the current market cap is 583 million. But where could the price go? Are we about to challenge the 1 penny? I think so. I think we are, and we will see if we get rejected or if we blow past it. So let's look at how much we have risen today. So at the time of this, we went up to a peak of 35%, and we're currently at 31% up on the day. So that's great. So how low are we from the previous all-time high, which is, let's just call it a penny. So if we look at this, grab this right here, and we come over here, we're still about 15% away from that. Okay. So 15%, we've moved 30% today. That's not a lot. But could we be challenging a penny soon? So let's see how long this was, guys. And y'all know I always tell you throw TA out the window. Don't be drawing Fibonacci retracements with stuff like this. But this is getting up into a little bigger market cap. And trust me, I'm not a TA guy at all. But if you were to call this a bull flag, which it does look like, and you were to grab the flagpole, the length of the flagpole, and put it there where it goes to the breakout, that takes us to the magical land of 1 penny, guys. So that's what we got to wait for. That's what we got to look. Is there going to be people waiting there to sell? Yes, there is. We have a lot of opens, open short and open long positions. So do the bear win? Does the bull win? We will have to wait and see. But guys, these listings are extremely bullish. These listings are extremely bullish. And I don't know what it is, but futures listings must be easier to do. There's less paperwork involved or something because you typically always see future listings prior to this spot listing. Even like integrating into a DeFi wallet. We seen yesterday or a few days ago that crypto.com had added it to their DeFi wallet. And then today they added it onto spot listing. So Binance typically list everything spot that they list on futures. One of the only ones I can think of that they haven't is Caspa as of now. But guys, I think it's going to be coming soon. There's just too much money to be made. There is too much volume happening with this token. As you can see, it's always in the top 1, 2, or 3 on Ethereum in terms of volume for the last couple weeks. I mean, look at this volume right here, guys. Volume equals transactions, which equals fees, which equals money for these exchanges. And crypto.com has beat Qcoin, Binance, and Coinbase to it. So now you know the two big dogs, Coinbase and Binance, are going to be racing to get that listing. But guys, let me know, did y'all hold through this dip? We got a nice little W, kind of a double bottom right here. I was kind of worried about that last night, but it looks like it's done well. Do y'all think we're going to challenge a penny today? Do you think we're going to challenge a penny this weekend? And if you do, are we going to break it or will Turbo be rejected, guys? Let me know down in the comments what y'all have to say about Turbo. I love reading and responding to them and seeing everything the Freeman and Finance family has to say, guys. I'm sorry I'm a little bit sick, congested. My kids got me sick, but I'm still trying to push these videos out to all of you. Please watch one of these 2 videos up above and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.